Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video I am particularly excited about because I've been really wanting to try this particular product and I was so super excited when I received it in my post. So I have super high expectations. Hopefully this actually works and it's good. So you probably noticed from the title of the video what I'm talking about, and in this video, because this video gonna take me to film 2 weeks, I'm gonna be reviewing the ThinTea tea blends, so Detox Blend and the Fat Burn Blend. I am super excited, honestly. So I personally don't really need to lose weight because I'm perfectly fine with my body, but I do feel bloated a lot and I have like a little rush on my face and I have rosacea. If you watch my makeup videos, you've seen it, and I heard and I watched reviews already that it actually cleans the skin and, you know, helps with the bloating, and also hopefully it will work for me. As always, I'm gonna be super honest. So I'm just gonna read a few facts about it. So what they state that on a packaging, that it's all natural, vegan friendly, gluten, dairy, preservative, additive, caffeine and laxative, can't pronounce it, sorry, free. So basically no added shit in the tea, nothing artificial, nothing toxic. And actually if you flip around and read the ingredients, it's all natural, like you can actually understand every single ingredient, like organic fennel seeds, organic nettle leaves, marshmallow leaves, organic juniper berry, organic dandelion root, organic rose petal. That's the ingredients of a tea, which is all you know, like herbs and plants. Nothing artificial, which is absolutely amazing. So huge thumbs up already from me for this. So this one to drink with breakfast, and then this one, the Fat Burn Blend, before dinner. And the ingredients in this one is once again super natural, like organic peppermint, olive leaves, dandelion leaves, ginger root, organic cinnamon, and so on. So not only that you get these teas, if you go to their website you get a free eating plan as well, and they say what is better to eat for you and what is not, and then there's like plenty super healthy recipes. And what's the most important part, guys, with any detox or any food supplement or anything, never ever replace food with that. Like, love yourself, love your body, and eat, but eat clean. But yeah, I am a big sugar addict, if I can say so. I have a sweet tooth, I love sweets. I am vegan, right? But being vegan doesn't mean that you can't eat sweets. I do eat a lot of them, so hopefully I will stop craving that as much, and I'll really try to follow the eating plan that is on the website, obviously the vegan version, and I'll drink this for 2 weeks, and then I will go back to use with the results to see if it actually worked and how I feel. Alright, so I am in my kitchen and I have my vlogging camera on because I was too lazy to bring all the lights and my filming camera with me downstairs to the kitchen. So I am just gonna do this tea now. I got my water ready, it's hot, and let's just follow instructions and do the tea. So I'm gonna do this breakfast one. So this one says to place 1 teaspoon of the loose leaf detox blend into the strainer infuser and then into the cup of freshly boiled water for 3-5 minutes, and then remove the strainer and the joint tea. So this is what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. It smells so good as well, guys. It doesn't only look pretty. I love this strainer, by the way. It's like a little leaf. Look how cute is that? So it's a silicone and that metal thing. This smells so good, guys. It was smelling like really nice in a packaging, but it smells so good as well. Okay, let's taste it. It's nice. I like it. Okay, I better go get my breakfast and drink this to go with my breakfast because I'm super hungry. And then I'm gonna have my dinner. I'll get back to you and try that another tea that's supposed to drink before dinner and tell you what I think about it. So I'm gonna see you soon, guys. So it's already later in the evening. It's nearly 6 o'clock now, and before when I was filming was around 10 in the morning, 9ish. Yeah, it was around 9 in the morning. So the second tea that we got is this one, 14 days fat burn blend. So this says to drink this tea as a second tea. Oh my god, you guys, just open the pack. This smells so good. It smells different. This has like a stronger smell, and actually I can smell ginger a lot, and one of the ingredients that mentioned this here is ginger and cinnamon. Yeah, I can smell cinnamon. Yeah, that's true. Alright, let's try this. So I waited for the tea to brew for around 3 minutes-ish or something. So this tea is way much darker than the one I had in the morning, because the one in the morning was more like a green tea. This one looks way much darker. Smells really nice though. Doesn't smell as bitter as it smelled from a package, so should taste nice as well, isn't it? Tastes good. Because it smelled a little bit bitterish with ginger and cinnamon. Tastes good, like it. Alright, so I'm gonna go and enjoy my tea and then have my dinner and drink this ThinTea for 14 days straight. And then I'm gonna get back to you and tell what I think, if it works and if it's any good. Because so far, to be honest, I really like it. I like the taste and ingredients of it. So I'll see you very soon. And I'm back, guys. So I was using this tea for exactly 2 weeks now, and let me tell you something. So I think I can tell you know my verdict if it was any good or it's shit, because well, I used it for 2 weeks, right? But I am absolutely in love with this. And I'll tell you why. First of all, it tastes amazing. Like, it really tastes amazing. It's not like something you have to drink thinking like, oh, I have to drink this, you know, because it's good for me, but it tastes disgusting. This tastes amazing. I mean, it's just herbs. It's herbal tea, but it actually tastes amazing. It's not bitter or anything. Yeah, it's really, really nice tea. So a massive, humongous thumbs up for that, but it tastes amazing. It doesn't really require much time or anything. You just, you know, you brew your tea like you would do normally. You leave for 3-5 minutes and then you drink it. It's not complicated, isn't it? Another thing that I really had a big hopes and I was hoping this is gonna help me with is I tend to have a bloating quite a lot. I don't know why. It happens, you know, and I was really hoping this is gonna help with that because they stated on their website, and guess what? It actually did. I mean, surprisingly, I don't feel bloated. This is amazing. Like, I think this is absolutely amazing. And because I don't feel bloated optically, I look thinner as well. Although I'm not a big person, I didn't really need to lose weight or anything. So my main point was a bloating, and it states that it's gonna clear the skin. Actually, I didn't have any breakouts recently at all. So maybe that worked as well for that. If yes, then thank you. Because that's just amazing. Because my skin actually been really, really behaving like, yeah. Oh, I didn't even realize that. Yep. That's another reason to love this tea. Another thing that I really like about this tea, that it's all natural, there's no nasty surprises. I actually have a massive sweet tooth. I'm addicted to sweets, chocolates and biscuits. I love sweets. Guilty for that. But to be honest, for the last 2 weeks, I haven't had a single chocolate. And I wasn't craving for it, which is like, wait, what? I wasn't craving any sweets. And my taste actually changed a bit, like things that are not really that sweet taste sweeter. I don't know how it works, but honestly, this is absolutely amazing. I don't know, I just don't crave like sweets, because my husband would be eating chocolate and he'd be like, oh, you want some? And I'm like, you know what, not really, no. Bizarre for me, because like I always have a massive sweet tooth. So ThinTea, thank you. You are helping me with my sweet tooth addiction. Because honestly, 2 weeks, no sweets. Hello. So this is another humongous thumbs up for me for this tea, because I wasn't craving any sweets. I don't feel bloated anymore. My skin looks amazing, clear. Like, my skin is clear. I don't have any breakouts or pimples for all this time. Like, hello, thank you. This is absolutely amazing. And it tastes amazing. It's so good for your body. It made me feel so good for last 2 weeks. And I don't know if I have any like physical changes. I probably do have, because I don't feel as bloated. I feel better. I'll try to show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but like, I don't feel bloated. Do you know what I mean? Like, I do feel real good. My belly feels like good. I don't know if you can see. I honestly couldn't recommend more this, guys, for you. If you're watching my videos, you know how honest I am with my reviews, and if I don't like something, I am not holding back. But I am absolutely loving this because it's amazing. It tastes amazing, very convenient to use, nothing complicated, and it's so good for your body. So go and get yourself this, guys, because you got nothing to lose. It's not gonna damage your body or do anything wrong. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao.